So here's an outlook for 2024 to 2026. What changes can we expect on Earth? To understand what we are walking into, one must understand that this past Lion's Gate for the 888 portal, we just walked through a mega portal where a 5D, a fifth dimensional operating system, was just turned on for planet Earth. This means that the Christ consciousness grid that is currently vibrating underneath Earth, this was set up by Yeshua, so that when humanity is ready to ascend, we can draw from that grid. And now there's enough people that are drawing from that grid. And there's also enough people that are currently adding to the grid, that the grid is strong enough that this 5D operating system has come online. September and October of 2024 are transition months where Earth is still catching up to the momentum of energy and of light that this 888 portal has brought in. From November of this year, 2024, we will see a drastic upshift in global events. We will see a complete overhaul of how we look at religion, banking, finances, education, the pharmaceutical industry. Everything is about to shift. As we prepare for first contact, which we and many other psychics are seeing is coming as early as 2026, because humanity is ready. At least pockets of humanity are ready. So right now what's happening is that the banks will collapse, the economic crisis is imminent, the crash is imminent, and all of this is happening so that we start moving from this old earth currency of US dollars and money to a new earth currency, which might very well be crypto for the interim, for the next decade or so. But as we fully move into new earth, we will no longer need money. Nasara, Jasara, all of that is literally in the consciousness right now. We are literally moving from a human society to a galactic society. A lot of existing careers will simply go out of vibration with planet Earth, and a lot of new and thriving careers are starting to emerge that are connected to this 5D operating system. We will see a drastic increase in healers, channelers, psychics, those who are connected to their higher intuition, shamans, because Earth is literally awakening in the millions, and there's going to be new jobs that are created from just this very momentum. Now, the outcome of the next few years is very heavily tied to the upcoming elections. When we time travel, when we astral travel, when we look into the timelines are always changing based on the energy of the timeline. But what we're seeing is that there's enough momentum in this timeline that we're walking right into election fraud once again, similar to what happened last time. This is why this whole virus situation is being created, create some kind of a mail-in vote, so people can go physically and create votes. So if that scenario comes in and there is in fact some fraud, then we are seeing some chaos and havoc once again play out on planet Earth. However, for a much shorter time this time, unlike COVID, which dragged on for a long time because the masses were refusing to come to acceptance that, hey, we're being played, we're being manipulated, we're being locked. This whole COVID was a conspiracy to literally kill 80% of the population. It was a depopulation agenda, and only keep 20% of humanity, ship them with, mind control them and literally turn them into full-blown AI slaves. Currently, according to the polls, Trump is winning by 70%, Kamala is losing by 30%. Now, this is very important not to make Trump a savior. Remember, Trump is also just a businessman. He's also just a politician. Yes, he may not be working for the reptilians, but it's very important to never give away your power to anyone saying he is going to come and save us. Just look at everything neutrally. If Trump wins, we're seeing a very glorious timeline for humanity. However, that is not the timeline we are seeing. When we look into the energy right now of the timeline, it seems like Kamala will win with some kind of fraud. Things are always changing. Don't quote me on this. And if that happens, then the virus will literally be that first step in creating this electoral fraud, which will then create other ripple effect, more control, more vaccines, more mind control, more fear. 2025 may get pretty rocky, but the good news is that as these timelines are diverging, we're moving through the splitting prism of time, which literally means that based on your vibrational reality, you are moving through a splitting prism of time and creating the timeline that you are vibrating. So you're literally attracting your timeline insert on planet Earth based on your vibrational frequency. So we're going to start to see in 2025 the world get very rocky for some. But for some of us who are in the new Earth ascending timeline, we're going to see celebrations, dance parties. Like, we're already planning Egypt activation tours. Like, we're going full swing in our divine mission. We're activating grids. We're removing implants. We're connecting to Stargate portals. We're going to ancient sites and reactivating memories in our DNA so that we can come back in our full Adam, Cadmon, Christos, Sophia, Christed template and share this frequency as the antidote on planet Earth. More and more people are realizing that this stuff that I'm talking about is not woo-woo, and it's the real deal. More and more people are realizing, holy shit, our schools are shit. Our religions have brainwashed us. The pharmaceutical industry that I'm constantly taking these pills, they're actually poisoning me. Oh my God, there's been a cure for every disease under the sun decades ago, and the government won't tell us why. So the whole world is literally questioning at this level. And so this is leading to a mass awakening. And mass awakening always is followed by mass chaos. 2025, based on what we're seeing, will be a year where society completely collapses and is restructured from the ground up. Banks will collapse. Governments will collapse. There will be widespread panic and chaos on planet Earth so that all of the old can finally just be put to rest and a new society, a new way of thinking, a new way of living can emerge. If lockdowns occur, it will create major resistance between the government and the public. So there's going to be a lot of clash, a lot of protests, a lot more than we saw in the times of COVID. And finally, how easily and effortlessly and smoothly all of this plays out really depends on the consciousness of the human collective. If we stand in our power and refuse to be manipulated and lied to anymore, and we just get it, things will happen a lot faster, a lot smoother. This whole plan, currently under the control, the wing of the light forces, the Earth Alliance, the Galactics, the Angels, the Ascended Masters, in an attempt to wake up humanity. So the faster we all get it, my friends, and we realize that we are sovereign beings and we're not giving our power away to anyone, we get it, we ascend into a higher consciousness. We literally ascend into a higher version of Earth. We ascend into a higher reality, a reality of heaven on earth. That is where we're headed. Keep that focus. Our outlook for 2026 is that most governments will be overthrown. Did you guys know that Bangladesh's prime minister was overthrown by their public? People literally stormed into the prime minister's house and said, we're like charging you with all of this fraud, you're out. So she actually fled to India to seek refuge. This is happening. And the public in Bangladesh took over their government's website and literally hacked into the government's website and put the pictures of all the corrupt officials and said all of these people have been kicked out of their office. The government is now closed. There's a major uprising happening in Bangladesh, and that will follow in many countries in 2026. Similar protests are already fueling up in Venezuela and America. Who knows what's going to happen in the upcoming elections? That's just around the corner. So our prediction for 2026 is that a lot of governments will be overthrown and completely new structures will emerge. Getting ready for 2027, which is the year when we start to see end of 2026, early 27 is when we start to see first contact. Not because they're now ready to show themselves, but it's because we are now ready to accept them and not go into judgment or fear or separation. 2027 onwards is a very glorious time for Earth. We see a lot of patents coming in, a lot of new technologies coming in for reverse aging, for healing, med beds finally being released to the public. Most of the cabal leaders will finally be fully arrested and serve their sentence. They will not need to help the light anymore because our time of learning from the dark will be done. Cryptocurrency will very well replace the archaic SWIFT currency system. Free energy will be introduced, and all these zero-point energy devices will replace the oil industry. And humanity will really start to enter this age of unlimited prosperity, joy, peace, community, abundance, and freedom once and for all. Comment below and let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know your excitement. Are you on the new Earth ascending timeline? I love you guys.